Hey friends, this is Pata Pata. I'm going to slow it down so that you can learn the steps very clearly. Follow along if you can. It goes out and in, out and in. Jump, 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 jump. Knees up, kick and clap and wait, wait. All right, this time we're going to try it a little faster. Follow along. 5, 6, here we go. Out and in, out and in. Jump, 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 jump. Knees up, kick and clap, wait, wait. Now this time, I'm going to show you how it changes direction every time. The steps are all the same, but every time you finish those steps, you turn your body facing a new direction. Watch. I hope that helped.